In the makeup store. Every girl loves makeup. Tina also. She went to a beauty store to buy her first makeup kit. Watch the video to learn vocabularies about beauty and cosmetics topic. Hello, may I help you? Are you looking for something? Hi, I'm looking for a full basic makeup set. This is my first time buying those things. So I don't know what exactly I need apart from lipsticks and powder. No worries, let me help you. We can find a lipstick for you first, then maybe I will tell you a bit about the steps to apply makeup. Then we can choose the products according to those steps for you. Okay, thanks a lot. I'm still not too sure about all these. I'm glad you help. My pleasure. Let me see. You seem to have a light skin tone. So those lipsticks with bright and deep colors will fit you perfectly. Normally I use pink lipsticks, so I want to try some new colors. Let's try this one then. Maybelline lipstick shade 382 Red for Me. It has a moderately cool-toned, medium dark red with a matte finish. This one looks gorgeous! I like it. This kind of matte lipstick will stay longer, however your lips will feel a bit dry. So don't forget to soften your lips with lip balm like 10 minutes before applying the lipstick. Okay, I will get this one. Any other recommendations? Let me put it in this basket for you. How about orange? L'Oreal brand, shade Orange Avenue 146 satin finish. It looks somehow wetter and softer, but cannot stay as long as a matte finish. Wow, I love it! Very comfortable and smooth. Oh, by the way, I also need a lip balm. Can you recommend one? Our customers really love this. Burt's Bees Lip Balm pomegranate flavor. Smells good. I'll take these two also. I think that's enough for lips. Okay, so let's get over to the face part. Is that okay? Sure. This is the part I have no idea about. After using moisturizer and sunscreen to protect your skin, the first step is preparing your face with primer. Using primer under your makeup makes your look last longer. Do you know your skin type? I'm not sure, but I usually have a bit of oil around my nose and forehead, but other parts are normal. I think you have a combination skin type. For this type of skin, I recommend NYX Marshmallow Primer, our best seller the last month. How to apply primer? Can I use my fingers? Yes, you pump out a bit of primer on the back of your hand, mix it with your finger, and dab it all over your face, then gently rub it in. Okay, I got it. I think your face doesn't have many flaws. You don't need concealer, so let's move to the foundation. Okay, if you say so. This is a very important step to have a perfect skin look. I suggest these two products, Maybelline Fit Me or L'Oreal True Match Foundation. These light shades will suit your skin tone. You can try and tell me which one you prefer. Let me see. I will take this Maybelline one. I prefer the matte finish. It seems to have a better coverage also. Right. After foundation, you should apply setting powder. This step is optional, but if you're looking for long-lasting crease-free makeup, you should use it. Sure, I want one anyway. Whenever I need a quick makeup look without foundation or reapplying during the day, I can use it. So why not use Maybelline Fit Me powder also? Great combo for your skin. Let's take this shade 115 Ivory. Okay. Do you need contour and a highlighter to make your face slimmer? No, I think that's too much for me. I just need basic kinds of stuff. Okay, so skip those things. You will surely need to blush. I recommend this L'Oreal Peach Blush Powder. It has a refreshing peachy color and can be easily matched with many makeup tones. This one is our signature blush recently. Very lovely, I will take it. I guess those are enough for your facial makeup. Now, let's move to the eye part. Wow, it seems a lot to me already. I know. I had the same feeling when I bought my first makeup kit. So you will need eyebrows, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara. Okay, please help me choose something easy to use. I'm really not good at this. Sure, then use pencil type for eyebrows and eyeliner. Your hair is light brown, so let's take these chocolate eyebrows and eyeliner pencils from NYX. Try this on your hand to see. That's great! Really fits my hair color. Give me these two. Okay, for mascara, trust me, you will love this Maybelline one. We have received really good reviews from customers for it. Sure, then take this one. Okay, finally, you need eyeshadow. Do you like any of these? This palette looks so gorgeous. Right? But that palette has kinda too bright colors for you in my opinion. It will be difficult for you to mix with daily makeup tones. Because this is your first one, I suggest you should try a neutral tone. How about this one? Same brand and product line from Revolution. Let me see. It has 24 shades that give you everything you need for your look. From light shimmers, warm browns, rich golds, rusty oranges, and dark smoky shades. This one looks great as well. Let me take this then. Okay, I think that's all you need. Oh, have you had makeup brushes yet? No, thanks for reminding me. I need those too. There are so many types of brushes. What type do I need? Real Techniques Everyday Essentials set is all you need. This one has 4 brushes with a sponge. You can find the instructions to use those brushes on the back of the packaging, but basically it is enough for you to apply foundation to eyeshadow. Thanks a lot for your help. I can't imagine how long I will spend here without your help. There are too many products to choose from. You're welcome. It's my pleasure to help you. Here is your basket with all those products. Thank you. I will go to the checkout counter now. Have a nice day. Thanks. You have a nice one too.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.